So this is the finished look, and I'm gonna go, well, you see when I get there. Going to the ramen factory. Can you see my excitement? Anyways, it's dark, so hey guys, so I did my makeup and we're on our way. Hopefully we're not too late, but we're on our way to Pao Pao Ramen Factory. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I did eyeshadow today. I'm not a big fan of eyeshadow. I don't know. I was never an eyeshadow person as far as being able to apply it. So because I don't know how to apply it, I never used to wear it. So I tried today and I used the JayJen palette. I did a separate video, so you'll probably see that soon or see this first. I don't know. But I'm excited. I wanted to try this ramen place I've been wanting to try this ramen place for the longest. And I wanted to try it for the longest, as well as it's so, I just like trying things from new cultures. I don't know if it excites me or it's so interesting. Like once I learn something about a culture or something new about once I learn something new about culture, it's like I just want to go dive head in and learn all that I can. So it's my what? I must say, mind you, if the video comes up first, you'll know why my eyebrows look like this. Look a mess. But I'm pretty excited that I tried the JayJen palette, as well as I'm pretty excited that I tried the JayJen palette as one of my first looks, because not only are the colors really nice, but I'm serving the look. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to the ramen factory. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Yeah. I should have put some mascara on my bottom lashes, but the last time I did that, I couldn't stop crying, so we're not doing that. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the angry. Is it Pao Pao? That's how it's pronounced. Okay. Can I have that? And can I have kimchi on the side? Are the eggs hard boiled? Okay.
Did you want the Pao Pao regular spice?
Yes. Oh. It's off the cob. Like it's not on the.
Right. It's off
yeah.
the cob.
Okay. Can I add corn to mine too? Yeah. That's fine.
Okay. Anything else for you guys?
No, that would be it. Thank you.
Thank you from you.
I don't think there's a way to describe it. The packaged ramen we're used to, well, that I'm used to, top ramen, but it was good. It was good, and oh, it was so much. I think we're going to Atlanta. I'm not sure yet.